Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your camera and infrared gear. Get straight to the critical parts. Remove any built-in IR cut filter if your model allows, or choose a camera designed for full-spectrum capture. Mount the camera on a tripod and attach an 850 nm or 940 nm IR illuminator. 850 nm gives brighter images, 940 nm is less visible. Once done, set manual exposure, widen the aperture, and lower shutter noise by choosing base ISO. This primes the sensor to record usable night vision images. Now configure camera settings and run tests so you capture sharp, usable footage. Put the camera in manual mode. Pick a shutter speed that balances light and motion, use the widest aperture, and raise ISO only until noise becomes unacceptable. Make sure long exposure noise reduction is suited to your needs. Use live view and the histogram to judge exposure. Once it looks right, aim the IR illuminator and focus manually, because autofocus often fails in IR. Then lock your focus and confirm details in a test frame. Finish by optimizing capture and preparing for problems. This is where you secure consistent results. Record in RAW to recover details and adjust white balance later. Log each exposure and its settings so you can replicate successful shots. For wider scenes, add or reposition IR emitters and consider bracketing exposures to merge later. If images are noisy or underexposed, reduce ISO and compensate with longer shutter speeds or stronger IR light. And if things still look off, apply selective denoising in RAW converters as a final fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.